أهلا وسهلا فيكم in the first lesson or الدرس الأول in the Madinah book series, and in this series in this lesson we will study the word haza, which means this. So haza is this, and the grammatical terminology is ismul isharati lil qarib, which means the pointer word for nearby objects. And the first example we have is haza baytun. So haza baytun means this is a house. 2 points, two things you should know in Arabic is that it does not have the is or are like in the middle of the sentence, unless you're interrogating, which we will study in this lesson, and it does not have a directly. So a is represented through the dammatan, kasratan, or fathatan, and those are basically the marks on the last letter of the ism. So, for example, has a baitun, it has the dammatan at the end of the first letter, or we can translate it in Urdu as do pesh, dammatan, kasratan, do zed, and fathatan, do zabar. So all of these marks means a or an, depending on the word. So, and in the first two lessons, vocabulary learning is pretty easy since every word has the representing picture given. But I would recommend you guys to check this website for this lesson and of course for later lessons, which has all the vocabulary lesson wise. So for example, if man haza, bayt al masjidan, and you can always refer to this website or you can make your own sheet for later reference. So, and the most important point in this lesson, which will help you guys later on, is that haza is masculine, and all the words we will study in the first two lessons is masculine. So, baitun is masculine, masjidan is masculine, and you can only use haza for masculine objects. So you cannot say, for example, mother is called You cannot say hazihi haza ummi. You will say hazihi ummi. So you guys might be wondering, how can you differentiate between if a word is masculine and feminine? There are multiple ways, and it's pretty easy. So inshallah, you guys will study it later on. So moving forward, mahaza. Mahaza means what is this? But yani ma has multiple meanings, but until now, ma only means what for you guys. And ahata baitun. Is this a house? So is the interrogative particle hamza with the fatha, and the interrogative particle in Arabic is called adat al istifham. Na'am means yes, and la means no. So this is the exercise or tamreen, and like I've mentioned in the short, you must practice all. You must first, of course, memorize the vocabulary and practice the exercises. So, for example, you're gonna get stuck on some of the tamarin. For example, here it's written ikra waktub, which means read and write. So you can just basically easily refer to this glossary or this book one Arabic solutions page, and the meaning of that specific word would be written here. For example, ikra waktub, read and write. And in this video, I'm going to go through both lessons since the first and second lesson is pretty much the same. And the second lesson we study about zalika, which means that. So zalika is ismul ishara lil ba'id, or the pointer for far away for far away objects. So the new vocabulary in this lesson is imamun, zalika, sukkarun, hajarun. So hajarun is stone, sukkarun is sugar, zalika is that, imam is leader, and ba, which means and. So for example, the sentence هذا مسجد وذلك بيت, which translates to this is a mosque and that is a house. So zalika has the same properties as ism in the sense that man zalika means who is that, ma zalika is what is that, zalika hajarun is that a stone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. لا تنسوا الاشتراك والمشاركة. مع السلامة.